The universal IAQ measuring instrument Testo 400 is used in many applications in clean rooms. We are starting with the measurement of differential pressure according to the norm ISO 14644 Part 3, in this case between the personnel lock and the clean room, in order to prove the differential pressure cascade. To do this, we connect the pressure hose to the Testo 400, pass it under the door into the personnel lock, and begin measuring the differential pressure. The pressure cascade, ideally between 5 and 20 pascal, avoids a cross-contamination between the rooms and controls the particle flow from the clean room to the personnel lock. Next, we measure the flow velocity in a workbench according to norm EN 12469 in order to ensure its functionality with regard to product and personal protection. For this purpose, we use the fume cupboard probe, which is ideally attached to a small tripod. We measure for 60 seconds each at 8 different measurement points in order to determine the mean displacement flow in the workbench. In the next step, we carry out the measurement of the air input volume flow at the ceiling filter according to the norm. Using the 100 mm vane probe plus telescope and 90-degree angle, we measure at a distance of 15 to 30 centimeters from the front of the filter at 4 measurement points for 10 seconds per filter. Based on the mean values, the Testo 400 calculates the total volume flow per filter in order to check auto-cleaning in the clean room. After this, we measure the temperature and humidity in the clean room. To do this, we use the highly precise humidity probe and a tripod in order to measure at the prescribed height of 1.10 meters according to the norm over 1 hour at a measurement interval of 1 minute. We carry out this measurement at 2 different points in the clean room in order to identify any irregularities. The Testo 400 allows digital reports with all relevant information to be created quickly for all clean room measurements. You can send these as a PDF by email directly on site.